Good day, YouTube. Brad with Diesel's Hog Vlog here. Let's say we change it up today a little bit. In the town I grew up in, which isn't too far away, and has a few historical sites. So let's go see if we can look at something cool. So fry that bacon. Okay, so here we are arriving in the next city, the city where I grew up in, and nobody wanted to see the trip from my town to this town because I live in the bald-ass prairie, straight roads, no trees. Yeah, the last video was beautiful country, but that was hours away. So right where I live, yeah, pretty flat, but I'm cutting in through Riverside here, and the reason that I'm doing that is simply because there's more to see. It's nicer down here, so we are going to make a little detour up here. I think it's one of the nicest streets in this city, and it's one of the oldest, but it's been, every time a house has come up for sale, they've torn it down and built a mansion. So I think it's a lot of people with big money that live there. Look at that beauty Thunderbird. Wow. There are a lot of nice classic cars in this town. Lots of motorcycles in this town. It's actually a pretty cool place to live. So anyways, let's tour down this street here, show you what I'm talking about. So as you come in along the river here, about another block or so, oh, there's one for sale, and there's that view makes those houses really expensive. Oh, I remember that house from when I was a kid. That kid had an inchworm. You remember inchworms? Inchworms were cool. If you don't Google it, you're too young. Alright, so this is just getting into where the nice houses start, and nope, these aren't them. Don't go, what's he talking about? They're shitty. That one's kind of an ultra modern one. And these won't be like anonymous. This is one on St. Charles Place, of course. I think those people probably make more interest a day than any of these people make in a lifetime. But here comes my house. Just awesome. Anyways, let's get on to where we're going. Okay, in front of you, that bridge is called Findlay Bridge. It's closed for the summer because they're going to try and resurface it again for probably the 10th time. And that bricks there, that's actually a sliding door because we're in the flood zone here, and that's slammed shut to protect all these people when the river floods. But let's have a peek through the trees here. Ooh, ooh, there's a hint. Ooh, another hint, another hint. It is Sunday, and it does not appear like there's anybody here. So, you got it figured out yet? No, we're not gonna go to Mass. I'm not Catholic, I just know that word. And here is where we're gonna talk about today. Alright, so this is St. Patrick's Church. It's a Roman Catholic church in this city. You don't have to be religious to appreciate the architecture of this. Religion is not the point to this vlog. It's a historical monument. So let's jump off the bike and go up and see if we can get in the door, see if it's open. I don't know if churches are open when you just want or not, so let's go see. So as you can see, it was built in 1912 to 1914. So it's old. It's been here for a long time. And I'll let you read that. You can pause that later or whatever. Let's see if they'll let us in here and have a quick boo inside. I don't know if you're allowed to or not. Thought the churches were open all the time, but I don't honestly know. This looks important. All the stained glass. Well, let's see if we can get in. Architecture is incredible. Oh, so impressive.
Yeah. This is 1917 it was built.
1917.
Sorry, yeah, 1917.
So I'm speaking with, he does not want to be on camera, so that's okay. We'll just have his voice, how's that?
Yeah,
okay. So I'm sorry, you are?
Tommy Manjali.
Tom, okay. And you're the priest here?
Yes, I am the one.
So, and how long have you been here?
6 years, and this is my final year. I'm moving out.
Oh, are you?
Strathmore, yeah.
To Strathmore. Okay. And what's the balcony up in the back there?
We have a balcony, and then on top we have the organ for music.
Oh, okay.
We have the piano downstairs, and if you take time, you can go ahead and see the 2,000, 3,000 pound bells. 3 of them brought from France.
Where are they?
Yeah, it's on upstairs.
How do you get up there? Can you go up there?
No, we have got the insurance, life insurance.
Oh.
We could go, yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
Great. Well, let's go check that out.
There was already the rose petal, the frame was cracked because of the rain and shine. So almost $55,000 only just.
Oh boy!
One man was up there 1.5.
And this is from France?
Yes.
Amazing. Going way up to the top. Videoed from outside. And the bells are how old? What a view from up here.
Yeah, it's a very good view. Go from.
That's the organ. This is they play this on the.
Yeah, some Saturday, Sundays we have organ choir, and then we have the piano choir. But now because COVID-19, we don't have any of hymns to be sung. So yeah.
So this is where we.
1912 it was built, right? So
1920?
12 on June.
Oh, 1912. Oh boy.
So,
oh, look at these are the ropes you pull.
yeah, that ropes that comes down from down. Yeah.
Okay.
But you have a picture that under that belt plate is inside. The ropes are inside.
Okay.
You go ahead.
Okay, thank you. This is so cool. Look at it.
You can also see the upper roof.
Pardon?
You can also see the upper roof from the church.
Okay. Wow, this is like stepping back.
Both of us can't get up here, so we'll have to come down
Okay.
because it's tight.
Wow. Look at this. Oh man. This is some serious history. So we can get different size, so they make different sound. I need to touch history. Look at that, so old. And that goes way up to that top splayer. Oh, awesome. Wow. Your ears would be ringing if we pulled them cords right here up here. How awesome is that? Look at the faces. Oh, look at this. The architecture. It's just amazing. Wow. Never seen anything like this. So I thought stained glass was flat. And it's not. It is three-dimensional. Wow, that is really something. Okay, so how cool was that? Have you ever been up in an old church like this? Like one from like, it's over 100 years old, and those bells, like, wow, I've never seen anything like that. It was so cool to put my hand on there. So anyways, that's a historical landmark in the city of Medicine Hat, St. Patrick's Church. So nice priest. If you ever get the chance and you want to see something really amazing and some fantastic architecture, come on in and say hi. I don't know if the doors are open all the time. I think he said they had mass or whatever tonight, so that's why the doors are still open. But super nice guy, gave us the tour. Anyways, time to get back on two wheels. So hey, thanks for watching that. Sorry I couldn't finish out there. More camera problems with GoPro, actually sound problems. Thought I had them fixed. Did another vlog today. Lost sound halfway through again. But anyways, hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please click that subscribe, hammer the bell, not the church bells, the bell on here, and see you again next time. Stay safe, everybody.